Welcome back to Supply Chain Decoder. In our last videos, we explored the basics of supply chains, how they work, and their main functions. Today, we will dive into the key players, the people and organizations that make supply chain possible. Think of a supply chain like a relay race. Each runner has a role, and the baton must be passed smoothly for the race to succeed. Let's meet the runners. First, we have suppliers. They provide the raw material such as steel, cotton, microchips, everything needed to start production. Without suppliers, nothing gets made. Next are the manufacturers. They take those raw materials and transform them into finished goods. For example, a car manufacturer turns steel, plastic, rubber, and electronics into a vehicle ready for the roads. Then comes the distributors and logistics providers. These are the movers. They handle transportation, warehousing, and ensure product reach the right place at the right time. Think of companies like DHL, UPS, or FedEx. They are the arteries of global trade. After that, we have retailers. They connect products to customers, whether through physical stores or online platforms such as Amazon, Walmart, eBay. Retailers are the face of the supply chain for most consumers. Finally, the most important stakeholders, customers. Every supply chain exists to serve them. Their demand drives the entire system. Let's make this real with an example. Imagine you order a notebook computer online. The supplier provides the chipsets. The manufacturers assembles the laptop. A logistic company ships it across borders. A retailer sells it on their website. And you, the customer, receive it at your doorstep. Supply chains are teamwork. Every successful supply chain relies on collaboration between suppliers, manufacturers, distributors, retailers, and customers. When these stakeholders work together effectively, products flow smoothly from concept to reality. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for next video on supply chain challenges and trends.